welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, the best of the best and the real of the real. A few weeks ago, Jade from Zip FM had left. She said that she'll be moving on to different things. Now, how different is that? She's now the PR agent of Remix Entertainment. Haven't noticed yet, she's been posting tremendously a lot about Shenseea and anything in regards to Remix Entertainment. Even in her bio, it says PR for Remix Entertainment. Seems like dancehall is merging with hip-hop once again. Many artists include Spice, Shenseea, Tifa, even Alkaline are collaborating more and more with hip-hop artists. You can check out this video here with Spice and Tommy from Love and Hip Hop. This also may hint that she may be in Love and Hip Hop.
Strap down if you with it. Go to Jamaica, me stand up in a this. Got your shoes from my foot, they found my wish list. My last big man, me twist. Earring to the chain, no way, check my wrist. See, I don't know if you're understanding. So let me calm down, speak more clearly. The things that I buy, bitch, wait for a theory. Or save couple bucks, then you might just barely.
Tifa and Shenseea just recently released freestyles that involve the hip-hop fuse with dancehall culture. Here's a clip of both of them.
Couldn't even rap like this, love you up like this, but I'm strapped like this. Never know I get a gal, cause I'm mad like this. Always cool shit, oh that's hot like this. Give back to the poor, on my list. I'ma for my son's grown, I'ma make him rich. Why you hating, bitch?
Everybody wanna rap, because Jamaica me come from. Here say Ariana put out dancehall album. Now go eat uno in a dancehall now. The Jamaican finesse, everybody say so fly, so fresh, coming like couldn't forget me. You're the baddest, because in them I follow my footsteps. Sure, the murder rhythms like the man.
Shaggy has recently performed at the Super Bowl and has raised $100 million for the Children's Hospital. Giving doesn't stop there. Bounty Killer just recently donated 60 beds to the Jubilee Hospital. He truly lives up to the name as the Poor People Governor. That is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.